Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for specific product tags using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Product Tags. Add your desired product tags in the blank area. For example, I will enter Wholesale. Give it a rule name. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. This setup ensures that if someone adds a product with the Wholesale tag to their cart, the Standard Shipping option will be hidden. Finally, click on the Save button. Let's head over to the checkout page and have a look. Currently, we can see that Standard Shipping is still visible because the product has not been tagged as Wholesale. Now, add a product tagged as Wholesale and check it. Now you can see that the Standard Shipping option is gone. That's it. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!